think that was during Mba month. It was reported that he need to do operation on his leg, and I don't know the outcome of his health at the moment, so I will not tell you what I'm not sure of. But the news says that Nigerian police arrest Nollywood actor Mr. Ibu's son, foster daughter, Mr. Ibu's son, foster daughter, for defrauding him of 55 million donations. So it's very, very sad that after people must have donated to, to assist Mr. Ibu on his health condition, and someone is somewhere trying to dupe him out of the money. And it's unfortunate that he's a family member, because what they said here is foster daughter. I think maybe, I don't know if he's in collaboration with his son or something like that, because the news said that Mr. Ibu's son, foster daughter, for defrauding him. So he lost the money that people donated for him.